My name is Kate Luxmoore. I'm a musician and I collaborate with another musician called Lekan Babalola on an arts organisation, the Ife Yoruba Contemporary Arts Trust. Ife Yoruba was set up to contemporise Yoruba culture, and a very big part of that is the education of young people in Yoruba culture, music, arts, visual arts, film, dance. And we were fortunate when we came to Birmingham to be able to collaborate with Birchfield Birmingham to provide a young people's project for their half term. The arts are extremely important for young people. Unfortunately now they're being cut out of schools very heavily. So these programmes are more important than ever before. It's not represented enough in this city and elsewhere, and it's evident that the children have really benefited from that so far this week. My hope is that from this week we will begin to develop a young people's group that meet regularly, that learn more about the arts and have the opportunity to express themselves more through different art forms and come together as a group, make friends and look after each other.
I'm Andrew Simons and I'm a community development worker for Birchfield Big Local. As a big local, we are particularly interested in celebrating the history and cultural heritage of the Birchfield Big Local area. Obviously Birchfield is part of Hamsworth, it's a very multicultural area, and the Afro-Caribbean community and other black and ethnic minority communities are a significant element. So it's appropriate that we should celebrate the contribution that black and ethnic minority communities have made to Birmingham and to the armed forces, the police, nurses. And obviously I don't think people realise just how far that goes back, because we had Roman road that ran very close to this area, and it's well documented that there were a significant element of African soldiers as part of the Roman army. But you know, the black presence in Hamsworth goes back many hundreds, if not thousands of years.
My name's Russell Green, I'm a youth and community worker down at Big Local Birchfield. This current month we've been running our Black History project, trying to engage young and old in sharing and talking about their stories around our history, and trying to work with the kids to empower them and give them confidence about their legacy and making their own story. So we teamed up with Kate's organisation, using music and sharing the oral tradition of African storytelling. We've been enjoying listening to the children, seeing their confidence grow by them understanding their diverse black history. And this week's project is transformative and can be taken back into schools, so these young people can talk to their own peers, their own teachers, their own family members about the rich history of the heroes and sheroes they've been learning about. So for me, I want to continue it, and I'm sure Kate will also, because we've been seeing so much positive feedback from the kids. All of us have learned something, and we look forward to doing it again.
I've been happy that this has worked really well, and I look forward to the future and to keep a collaboration with Big Local, because that has been such a positive thing to have the opportunity to explore the arts and then talk about the black history and have fun together. So I look forward to the next step.
We had fun.
Yes! Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. I like doing when we all come together playing music, so like people on the piano, the cajon, xylophone and stuff. I would like to be do more of acting.
More acting.
And more stories. I enjoyed when we got to sing because I didn't have a lot of confidence in singing, and now I can sing in front of people. I'd like to do some more acting, music, and drama, all that stuff, so you can get learning more.
I enjoyed the music, and I also enjoyed the kind and playing the piano and getting to know new people.
Toby?
I liked everything because I made new friends. I learned more. I know how to play instruments that I didn't know how to play now, and I learned more about acting and drawing.